guys, good morning. It is Friday, TGIF. Today, I'm still debating whether I want to do some exercise or not. I feel a little run down from yesterday because I was at the game. It was very cold yesterday. Not really cold, I won't say very cold like winter, but you know, I only went in a t-shirt and it was very windy and it was like in the 60s. So I had to get a sweatshirt out there, and that was fine for the rest of the game. But hi, it's lunchtime. I did exercise for a little while. I didn't do a full what I've been doing lately, like hour and a half, 2 hours. I only did a short hour. So any good pool maintenance requires you to measure the water stability. So I have this electronic kit where when you pop this out, there's these little strips. No, they're not diabetes or sugar or whatever. But see if I can get one out here. I don't need one anyway. Alright, so you have this strip, you dip it in the water, and then this, you flip it on the bottom side here, you put it on there, it actually reads the card and it tells you the what the numbers are. Alright, so I'm going to go out real quick to measure the water stability. I need to kind of do that before I leave. So kind of do that. It's on. Any day now. Ooh. Well, alkaline's actually not so bad. Chlorine is very low. Oh, okay. So the top number is the chlorine level. Should usually be around 3. And it actually tells you. Although the chlorine is not okay. It should be a little higher. Then the pH and the alkalinity levels are average. So I just need to add some chlorine. Cool. Yeah, so the levels aren't too bad. I need to add some chlorine, but what will happen is when I add the chlorine, then the alkalinity levels will drop. So I'm probably going to still have to get alkaline up, is what they call it. Usually, I keep track of all of the numbers for the pool chemicals. I keep it on my iPhone in an app called Cloud On. It's actually something that's synced over to Dropbox as a file. It's a spreadsheet and it has all of the daily numbers, and that way I could trend it. If in case the numbers are falling, I can catch it before it does. Alright, so I'm on my way. I'm purposely not turning because I want to see where this ambulance goes. And there's the ambulance. Alright, now I can turn. I got my drugs. Oh, yeah, I never understood New Jersey people and why they insist on littering the highway. Like I drove over a pizza box a minute ago. I don't understand. Why would there be a pizza box in the middle of a highway? I couldn't even understand maybe at the shoulder, you know, like right at the shoulder. But right in my path, like I'm driving over and there's this pizza box just laying there. Just absolutely no sense. And I've seen people throw things out of their car like while the car's moving. Like they'll throw out, you know, paper towels and things like that, napkins. But, you know, it's even, you know, worse enough to say that people will throw out coffee cups. You know, their Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks or whatever. They're done with their coffee. Well, I don't want this trash in my car. Let me just throw it out on the highway. Alright, so it looks like I'm gonna have Subway for lunch, because there is a Subway in this complex like I thought there was. Alright, so Kohl's was great. I was able to return the gym shorts I bought the other day and buy new ones. They were actually cheaper today. Hi guys, so this is the little path I was talking about that goes to like the Passaic River, so I figured I'd come down. It's actually quite a nice path. It's nice that they built it out finally. Let's see, way down there you can see the river. Yes, we are in the city. It's kind of weird to have the park here, the city there. Absolutely a great view. Oh, it's so nice. It's very noisy. Oh, hi folks. Wow, that is gorgeous. I've lived here for 7 years, but I've never actually seen it. Stop to look at it. It's nice. It's here. You get your water fountain. You got your little kids play area. It's very modern compared to what I grew up with. And then the parking area, which is right there. Really not that much. So across the street from this park waterfall, we have like just some stores. There's like a bakery, a dry cleaners, a food mart, a Polish eatery, a travel agency, and a bank. And towards the other direction, there's this Delta gas station. Hey guys, so I'm back home, and I added some chlorine to the pool, so that should help the levels. I didn't buy any chemicals. I just want to see what happens. My cat is always licking. Lick, 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 lick. Look, he's licking and licking and licking. Yes, I realize it's very close up, but I just want you to see that he is licking. Just starting to catch the Mets game. We're losing already. It's only the second inning. Oh, dear Lord. Hey guys, so it's about 10 p.m. or so, still watching the Mets game, but I'm gonna call the vlog success for the day. Gotta get up really early, gotta get up like at 6 a.m. or so to get there to this Q&A thing tomorrow by 8:30 or so, so it's gonna be quite an early day. So anyway, if you guys like the vlog for today, feel free to like and share and comment and tell your friends, and I'll see you guys next time.